dancers, welcome back to our channel. I'm Julie and I'm the owner and one of the instructors here at Broche Ballet, a ballet school for adults in Denver, Colorado. Today I want to talk a little bit about balancés. This is going to be a two-part video series. The first thing I want to talk about is a balancé with a spring in your step that's used for really quick, fun pirouette combinations. And the other thing I want to talk about in our second video is how to do a balancé that travels across the room, whether that's backwards or forwards, but how to really use it in a pirouette combination. Before we get started on the first topic, please make sure if you're enjoying these videos to like, subscribe, ring the bell. It really does help us out. So let's get started on those hoppy balancés. So we've got our regular run-of-the-mill balancés. They look like this: down, up, down, down, up, down. Some schools go down, up, down, up, down, up instead. Here at Broche Ballet, we often teach the down, up, down, but we do have a few teachers who prefer the down, up, up method, so we do experiment with both as well here. They're more of a matter of style, timing of the music, or kind of how the teacher feels what the choreography shows, rather than one being correct and one being incorrect. But for a hoppy balancé, which looks like this: down, hop, down, hop, down. This one doesn't really work so well with the down, up, up, because you need to land from that little hop, and you want to land in plie. You don't want to land on releve. So we're going to use the down, up, down version for this little hop balancé with a spring in your step. So our regular balancé, let's break that down first so you can see how it's different with the hop. So the regular balancé goes down, peel the foot off, and then land on it. Down, peel the front foot, pushing through it to get onto your back foot. Down, then you sort of rock gently back. Down, up. And I'm just turning side to side so you can see it from the side view. You don't have to turn like this for your actual balancés. I mean, you can if you're feeling really artistic with your upper back, but you don't have to. It's just so you can see what I'm doing with my feet. So we're down, pushing back, and down. Down, pushing back. And that push is really controlled. This works fabulous for nice, slow, gorgeous waltzes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But when the going gets a little faster, there's no time for that kind of slow, controlled motion, so we need to speed it up. So how it's different is that you're going to go down, and here's where it's different. Instead of slowly and controlled rocking onto that back foot, you're going to step on it, push into the ground, and hop, and then land on your front foot. So you're going to go down, hop, down. So you sort of use that back foot as like a launching board. Push, 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 and land. The other side, you would go down, push, down, push. So it's that motion of putting your back foot down, pushing and hopping up onto it so your front leg can extend, as opposed to gently rocking back so your front leg can extend. That's the key difference between these two different styles and qualities of balancé. So you can see both of them back to back. We've got balancé, balancé. Those are the nice, slow, controlled versions, really peeling through the front foot to get the back foot extended. Then we've got our hoppy balancé. We've got down, up, down, up, down, down. So you can see I'm kind of pushing off my back foot and springing off the floor. So it's a little bit more of a hop there than it is a step or a peel. In our next video, we're going to cover how to use these balancés and travel across the floor. We'll learn a little combination that'll have the hoppy balancés and traveling backwards so that you can do it twice in a row in a small space. That's all for now, dancers. Let me know if you have any questions on these balancés or on anything else in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff. Until next time, take care.